Hello beautiful people. So in this video we have a question. We are given a figure and we need to find the perimeter of this amazing figure. Okay, so how will we proceed now? What should we do? We have, as you can see here, that we have 8 different lines. If you see here, first line, right? Second vertical line, third vertical line and fourth vertical line. Okay, so we have 4 vertical lines and then we have 4 horizontal lines, 1 and then this 2, then this 3 and this 4, right? So we have 4 horizontal lines and 4 vertical lines. What if we notice only horizontal lines first? Okay, so like this line is horizontal, second line, right, third line and this fourth. So we have these 4 horizontal lines, right? Okay, so let me add these horizontal lines first. Then 5 plus, and then we have this horizontal line. If you notice this one, okay, plus this one and plus this one. What if I name them? This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now you look at HG plus FE plus DC, 3 horizontal lines. If you look at them, they add up to, they sum up to AB only, right? If you add this plus this plus this, right? I am adding this plus this, like this is equal to this, and then this is equal to this. So if you see this, these 3, when they add up, they will make AB only. AB is what? 5 centimeter. Okay, so I will write here 5 for this, right? Okay, plus now I will look at vertical lines. Okay, so we have this vertical line, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and out of these 4 vertical lines, how many we know? So I know that this BC is 3 centimeter, right? This is given 3 centimeter. So I wrote BC. Okay, I know FG is 4 centimeter. This is 4. So FG is 4, right? Now I need to know 2 more sides. What are 2 more sides? First is DE and second is AH. I don't know what is DE. I cannot even guess that what will be this thing. Okay, but what can I do? What if I say this is X? Let DE is equal to X, right? Okay, so now I know DE is X, so I will add X here. But now question come to this thing. What is AH? If you see, if I join this line here, I can get this thing. This is what? This is 4. Because this is rectangle, these will be equal, right? So this is 4. What is this then? Okay, let us see. We know that this whole is 3, right? And what will be this length? If I subtract this x from 3, I will get 3 minus x. And since this side will be equal to this side, this is equal to 3 minus x. So if I add both of these, I will get AH. So plus 4 plus 3 minus x is equal to AH. Now we have got all the sides, right? We have 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus x plus 4 plus 3 minus x. And I was like worried about x only, but you know what? We can cancel this out, right? X and x. Now we just have numbers which we need to add up. Okay, this is 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 plus 4 is 17. 17 plus 4 is 21 plus 3, 24. So that means perimeter of this figure, beautiful figure, is what? It's 24. So I hope you understood this. If you liked it, do subscribe to my channel. And you know what? We have many Maths Olympiad questions On our channel we have concepts, we have short tricks. So do visit my channel and give your reviews. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.